Is it back in? Yeah.
Match point.
Louis, get up. Do you hear that?
Black, you stole my chicken.
Oh my God. But do you hear that?
What? Yo, what's that ticking sound?
Did you guys buy a
Dude, that's
phone?
annoying, man. So, no, where's that coming from? Oh my God, where's it coming from? Make that noise stop! Hey, where? Where? Oh my God, where's it coming from?
Louis, pull yourself together, man.
Ah, you're right, I needed that one.
Hey guys, I can't take this. I'm gonna go get a soda. Okay. You guys want one? Okay. I'm good. Okay, I'll be right back. I just need to go get a soda and chill out. Okay? Bye-bye.
I can't take it anymore!
Guys. What? Guys.
What's going on?
Oh, dude, it's coming back. Hey, it's T.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh my God! The sticky noise is back! Where is it coming from? Where?
Where's the noise coming from? Stop that. No, you stop that. I'll kill you. Don't think I won't.
Hey, you just stop it! Stop! Stop! Oh, hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
You guys still, oh my God, that noise is still coming. Dude,
God.
do you hear that?
Dude, is it?
Wait, it wasn't even here 2 seconds ago.
I think it's Manny.
Manny, you don't have...
It's getting louder.
Is it coming from you? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Here, over
Wait,
here.
wait. Hey, it's coming from you.
What do you have on you? Dude, oh my God, it's your watch.
Dude, it's your watch.
Your alarm's going off. What? This whole time we've been flipping out, it's your alarm on your watch. Dude, turn that off.
It's broken.
How do you turn it off then?
Oh, just smack it down.
Oh, cool. Can I try?
Hey, isn't that one of those cool things from the CSI?
Dude, I want to try.
Go smack